Hey everyone, welcome back. So, this review is based on research and personal opinion. It's not medical advice, so be sure to consult your healthcare provider before trying any supplement. Himalayan burn drops are marketed as a max strength keto formula for weight management. They're selling on eBay for around $29 per 60 ml bottle, and the ingredients include these. Some of these ingredients are known for general wellness, like Brahmi for brain support, collagen for joints, and vitamin C as an antioxidant. But here's the catch: none of these are directly linked to fat burning or ketosis. These are no BHB salts, no MCT oil, and nothing that would make it a real keto focused formula. Another concern is that the lack of brand transparency. Despite the seller having over $17 or 17,000 feedback ratings on eBay, there's no official website, no Reddit discussions, and no Trustpilot reviews. That's a red flag. When a supplement has no outside presence, no scientific backing, and no customer reviews beyond the sales platform, it's hard to trust. Final verdict: approach with caution. While the ingredients may offer some general health benefits, there's no clear evidence that this product supports weight loss. Without real clinical support or verified customer experiences, Himalayan burn drops look more like a questionable wellness blend than a reliable fat burner. If you've tried them or have questions, drop a comment. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.